Hi everyone, it's Jessica here and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I have a special card to share with you, and that's creating faux stained glass using aluminum foil, StazOn inks, and acetate sheets. First I'm going to stamp with Lemon Drop, which is a really sunny bright yellow. And I'm actually inking out the back side of the stamp because I want to add some interest to the background. If you're using a solid image stamp, then you'll get a really good coverage even if you are stamping with the back side. But because this is a lined image, only some of the ink will actually transfer onto the acetate sheet. Here you can see the half stamped cool texture and the gaps where the aluminum foil will peek through. Then I'm cleaning my stamp using the StazOn cleaner. If a little bit of ink got on the dauber head, you can just wipe it on a piece of scrap paper and the color will come off. Now I'm ready to stamp the front side with Piano Black StazOn Pigment ink. Because acetate is a sleek surface, you want to make sure that you're stamping straight up and down so that you won't accidentally slide the stamp across a smooth surface. Next, I'm going to do some simple coloring with my Copic markers. But before you start coloring, make sure you're coloring the unstamped side so that the alcohol from the markers will react with the solvent StazOn ink. After you're done with coloring, adhere the entire panel with full sheet adhesive, and now we can adhere the crumpled aluminum piece to the back. And that is the stained glass technique. I also added some layers of vellum and foil using tiered tape and embellished a card with ribbon and rhinestones. Lastly, I stamped the sentiment with snowflake ink to finish off the card. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried creating faux stained glass. It's a really cool technique that I finally played with. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video.